All right, let's look at the question we have here for today. We are given that matrix A is equal to 3, 2, 4, 6 and matrix B is equal to 1, 9, 12, 13, and we are asked to find A plus B. Now this is very simple and we are talking about addition and subtraction of matrix. Now if you're asked to find A plus B, or you're asked to add two matrices, for you to be able to add two matrices, that means the order of the matrix must be the same. You get, the order of the matrix must be the same for you to perform this kind of operations on that particular matrix. Now let us look at here. This is the solution to this problem. Now we have that matrix A is equal to 3, 2, 4, 6, and matrix B is equal to 1, 9, 12, 13. Now A plus B is equal to, since the order must be the same, if you observe, this is the first row and this is the second row. This is the first column while this is the second column. So if I want to count this is 1 row, 2 row, we have 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore this matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. That means 2 rows by 2 columns. Now let's come to the second one. We have the first row and we also have the second row. We also have the first column and we also have the second column. Therefore this matrix also is what? 2 by 2, because we have 2 rows by 2 columns. So we can perform this operation on it. Now to find A plus B, now we are going to take the first element plus the first element, the second plus the second, like that. This is how you are just going to add it. This is the first column by first column, first row by first row, second column by second column by first row, just like that. So to do this, we are going to have 3 plus, what's the element here is 1. Now you give space, this is 4. You bring down your 4 plus, what's the next element here? 12. We have 2 here, 2 plus, what's the next element here? 9. We have 6 here, this is 6 plus, what's the next element? 13. Now adding all of this, now we are going to have 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 4 plus 12 is what? 16. Now 2 plus 9 is what? 11. 6 plus 13 is what? 19. So therefore A plus B is equal to this particular matrix, and this is very simple. Now if you find this video interesting, so don't hesitate, make sure you like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.